Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my makeup collection slash like organization, I guess you could say. I'm going to be holding it for this first drawer, so it might be a little shaky, but yeah, so let's just hop right in and not be annoying. So this is what the first drawer looks like. This holds all of my lip products, eye products, and mostly lip products in here. Brow products and mascaras, like all of that stuff is in here. Start over here. First, I have this lip scrub by Ultra Sexy Pout, Handmade Heroes. This is the coconut sorbet one. This one works really good. This is the cream color sugar lip scrub. This is the strawberry one that I got at a makeup convention. This is the Milani rose butter lip mask. It's so pretty and it's really good. I like to use it more as like a lip balm before I go to sleep. Back here in the back, I have these AOA little mixing palettes, and then I have my lash curler back there, and then I have this foundation pump, like an extra one, and then starting over here with like all the liquid, I guess you could say, I have the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. I love that stuff. This is the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel, the L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara. This is just what the packaging looks like. It doesn't have anything on it, which is kind of annoying. The Maybelline Lash Stiletto mascara. They have a waterproof version of this, and this is really lengthening. Then I have this glitter liner from the Beauty Supply that I've had forever, as well as another eyebrow gel. This is the e.l.f. Wow Brow. Here I have my brow pomades, gel liners, lash glue, lash tools. So I have this Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Wax, AOA lash glue in black. I have this one I got from same convention as that. This is just a clear lash glue. Tattoo Studio brow pomade, one of my favorites right now. The AOA Buttercream Gel Liner in Licorice. The Revolution Pro pomade in ebony, and a sharpener. I have my brow brushes in here because they're really small, so it's hard to find them in my makeup container, so they're in here. And then I have like just regular tools like lash applicators, brow, like this is what I use to shave my brow. Then I have pencils. I have a whole bunch of these LA Girl Shockwave liners. These are liners and like lip products, I guess. They did like a whole little collection on that. Then I have the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. This is one of my favorites, if not my favorite product. I have some Maybelline eyeliners that I use as lip liners. All these brown eyeliners are like lip liners that I use. So I have a Wet n Wild one. I have LA Colors. Just pretty much, they're all drugstore because, oh, and a cream color one that I was obsessed with, which is why it's tiny. I'm not really good at this, so I'm sorry. Then I have these lifter glosses from Maybelline. This one's in the shade Petal, and I also have one in the shade Amber, which has been my favorite right now. Those are really, really good. Then I have some NYX products, NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. I have a darker one in Dubai and then a lighter one in Abu Dhabi. I think that's how you say it. And then I have a butter gloss in Madeline. I love NYX's products. I've collected them multiple times, but you know, like sometimes they run out, and Madeline is really the only one repurchasing, which is why that's the only one I have right now, but the colors are beautiful for all of them. I then have this LA Colors lip oil in the shade Honey Bun. I have some Carmexes, which everyone knows what that is already. Sephora Tan Lines lipstick, which is just a nude. I have this Revolution one in syrup. This is the Self X Revolution lipstick. It's really, really pretty. I haven't used it yet, but it's really pretty, from swatches. The e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm. This is so good. I used to have this in my purse, but then I started using Aquaphor, like the lip balm Aquaphor, and I just didn't reach for that as much. But it's so, so good if you want like a colored lip balm. Then I have the Dragon Beauty Black Matte Liquid Lip. I love that. It's so good. It doesn't dry completely matte, but other than that, it's really, really good. I have this Amore US lipstick from a convention. this lip gloss that everyone knows and loves from the Beauty Supply. And then I have this MAC Bullet Lipstick in Lady Danger. And that is just this drawer done. This is the second drawer. This holds all of my base products, like my base face products, same thing. So I have my foundations, my concealers, primers, and then contour concealers, so basically just concealers. So yeah, that's in this drawer. I have my primers. I'm going to start off with the primers. This is the Viro New York Tomato Serum, which is really just a serum that I use as a moisturizer really. And then I have the CEO Glow drops from Sunday Riley, which are really pretty as well. I have the Wet n Wild Matte Face Primer. This is really good. I enjoy that. I have this Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, the Hollywood Flawless Filter in 6'5" Deep. This is pretty good as well. I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, Balm, the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer as well, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. That's what that is. I really like this stuff. It's one of my favorites. I have the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I don't use as much. I used it a lot when I first got it, but I don't use it as much anymore because I have all of these new primers. For contour products, I have this full coverage concealer pot from NYX. It didn't fit in here to just like sit like that like I wanted to. So Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation that I use for contour. This Sculpt FX from AOA Studio, as well as the Pro Conceal from LA Girl in Mahogany. Moving back here to concealers, I have this Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I have mine in Butterscotch. And then I have another one in Chestnut. This is my favorite concealer, which is why I have it in 2 shades. It's my favorite one right now. I have this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm not a huge fan, but I've been using it because no one else in my family wears makeup, so it's not like I can just give it away. And as you can see, it still has a pretty good amount of product in it, so I'm just gonna use it and force myself to like it so that I don't waste it. Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I just have this in a lighter shade to conceal. I like this formula for like contouring and concealing, which is why I buy it for that instead of just buying it as the foundation. Eye Bright Illuminating Concealer from Revolution. This is really hyped about, but I have yet to try it. I have this Pro Conceal from LA Girl, this liquid concealer from AOA Studio in Soft Tan. Then I have a Maybelline concealer, which used to be my favorite. I just repurchased it. Oh, for foundations, I have this one. This is my favorite right now. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear, 24-hour Fresh Wear. Eavesdrop Skin Tint from Fenty Beauty. I love this stuff as well. These two are definitely my favorites. Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Really good. I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. I have the Matte and Poreless Foundation from, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation with the little caps that were in this top drawer. And then I have my Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. This I've been using since I started makeup, which is about 3-4 years ago. 3, almost 4 years ago I've been using. This one I've had for about 1.5 years now. So it's probably expired, but I can't bring myself to toss it. Like, I know I could just go get another one, but I'm trying not to buy makeup, so I'm just gonna hold on to that. And then the last foundation I have in here is this Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. I love the packaging on here, but that in there is irritating me. I have to figure out how to clean that. But you know, the packaging is good. I just wish like the pump was a little bit higher so that doesn't happen. So in this drawer I have my loose powders, pressed powders, and bronzers. I have my highlighters, blushes, and base powders. Basically all powders and like compacts are in this drawer. These big like little compacts are just stuff that clearly won't fit in here. This is filled to the brim, so I need to get some more because I'm now having to double stuff up, which is real ghetto. So I'm having to double stuff up because I ran out of room, so I need to buy some more or stop buying makeup, either one. So I have the Dragon Beauty Transformation Powder that everyone has. It has makeup on it, but I've only used it once. It's the way of life. These two bronzers from Makeup Revolution. This is the Mega Bronzer and Deep, and then the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer and Medium. This one here is my favorite, and I have yet to try that. All my Revolution stuff that I have or that you see, other than these two, I haven't tried yet. So I'm going to stop saying that because I feel like that's annoying. And in the back here, I have my Black Radiance True Complexion Powder in Banana, and then the Coty Airspun. Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Blondie. Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. This is so good, but so expensive, so I don't use it until I don't want to use this until everything else is gone, because I don't think you can, like, powder expires. So I want to wait till I use everything, and this is like my last resort, other than that Coty, because that's going to be there forever. The Dragon Beauty Yellow Powder. This is pretty good. It's very similar to that one, and I think it's cheaper. So yeah. So the way this is set up is highlighters, blushes, because I'm obsessed with them. All of these are blushes. And then face powders, and then these are all face powders, and then these are bronzers. So let's start here. The NYX High Glass Illuminating Powder in Daytime Halo, the Magic Chrome Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. I have this Malibu Glitz Face Powder in Honey, the Becca Finishing Veil, Light Shifter Finishing Veil in Tan 4. The Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in 4. Revolution Pro, what is this? Skin Finish in Golden Glare. This really looks like a Glow From Within highlighter when I swatched it, so I can't wait to try that. Soleil Bronzer from Milani. And then I have the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in 360 that I use as a bronzer. Here, the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Blush in Bashful. This is, I got this from Amazon, so I think it's a fake because it doesn't have color. It just has glow and it has no scent. This is the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in Baked Peach. This is the Prisma Blush from Shop Miss A in Peach. I love peach. Literally all of these blushes are peach. This is the Lumi Radiant Blush in So Close, as well as another one in Rose Dawn. Then I have a NARS Mini Orgasm. And then I have another one from Shop Miss A, the Perfect Blush in Looker. This is highlighters from Shop Miss A. This is the Halo one and the Wonder one. The Wonder one is called Bubbly, and then the Halo one is called Sunstone. Sunshine Makes Me Happy Makeup Obsession palette. It's just a yellow palette. Can't wait to try it. Look at those colors. But yeah, I put it in here because it's really small and it just fits in there perfectly, so why not? So yeah, that is everything in this drawer. I actually went through that quicker than I thought I would. This drawer here is eyeshadows. So this is the Revolution Neon Shadow Palette in Not a Dream. This actually cracked in transit, and after swatching it, I realized that this was my favorite one, so that sucks. Like, actually sucks how that's the prettiest one in the palette, but yeah, I'm still gonna try that out eventually. I have this Beauty Bay Nude Matte Palette that I used forever when I got it. Beautiful, isn't she? She's just gorgeous. Palette covering that I use as a fan because I always forget to buy a real fan. I have this Marc Jacobs Electric Iconic palette, which was like limited edition, and it's so pretty. Like, look at that, she's gorgeous. And then I have the Makeup Revolution blush palette in Sugar and Spice. They actually carry two of these, but I feel like the first one is just nude. Like, it's literally just nude blushes, and with my skin tone, that's not gonna work. The Beauty Bay Living My Best Light Brilliance highlighting palette. So that's what that looks like. I get a lot of use out of all of these, like literally every single one. So pretty. This Origin palette from Beauty Bay, 42 color palette. I love their 42 color palettes, especially their newer formulas. And I have the new one, which is their new formula. This one is what I mean. This one has a lot more pigment, and you don't need that much work to get the colors to do what you want them to do, but this one's so pretty. And I really just got it for the yellows. Then this Brights palette from Beauty Bay. I think they may have reformulated this because there was a period in time when they were like really like re-hyping this up. Then I have the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam palette. This is what it looks like. It has 2 highlighters and then a shade here called Scorpio that I'm obviously obsessed with. Really, really pretty. I actually really like that palette. I used it a lot when I first got it. And then I have the She Glam Stereo Face 6-color cosmetic disc, which looks like this. The highlighters are so pretty in here, like blinding. They're gorgeous. Excuse my dog. She's literally just sitting on the floor crying because she's a drama queen. But hey, you gotta love them. It has some, I have some individual lashes from Kiss. I have these ones from Kiss. I don't know what collection they're from, but they're there. And then I have no idea where these are from. This package is just from some old lashes, but I have no idea where these are from. These are really, really good. I really like these. I used these for my graduation photo and I've kept them ever since. Then I have sponges. A lot of them are dirty. Let's not talk about it. This is where my moisturizer that's actually supposed to be in the primer drawer, but it can stay down here because who cares. So here in the back I have these 2. These are really like nail gemstones, but I use them like for eye looks. Really pretty. I have this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, which smells so good, and it is good by itself. This is the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray in Glow Get It. It's their coconut one. It smells like coconut too. All the products that smell like coconut are just a bomb, okay? Then I have this Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup 24-Hour Setting Spray. The Dragon Beauty Forever Fantasy Setting Spray. I haven't used this too much. I can't even tell you guys how I feel about it because I've literally used it once. Then I have the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This, I don't really like it as a moisturizer before my makeup. I still do use it before my makeup, but this is like really rich. So it makes your face feel kind of heavy, but it is really good. Wait. These little acrylic drawers that I have, and both these ones as well as these ones like for powder and stuff, I got these off of Amazon. And this one I got from Walmart. They come in like a set of 2, in case you guys are wondering where I got those from. So yeah, that is all of my makeup and how I organize it. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch it. You should give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment down below what other videos you want to see. And have a good day. Bye.